Today we are visiting the Solar Decathlon teams for Stanford and Santa Clara in California.
Teams are in the process of designing and planning their solar homes, which they will build and transport to the Solar Decathlon competition in Irvine, California next October.
Let's go find out a bit more about the jobs, people, and planning needed to build a solar home. At the Santa Clara 2009 house.
Let's go in and meet the 2013 team.
I'm Jake.
Hi, I'm
nice
Colleen.
to meet you. I'm Jake. You guys can go ahead and come on in. Oh, this is the team.
Hi.
Hi, I'm Brian.
Welcome. Hi, I'm Beth.
Brian. You guys want to go ahead and sit down?
My name is Beth Avon, and I'm a civil engineering major. My role in the project is that I'm the interiors team lead, so I do all of the interior design work of the project.
My name is Jake Gallo, and I'm a mechanical engineering major. I'm the project manager, the student project manager, so it's my job to more or less make sure everyone's doing their jobs and to make sure that everyone is realizing their full potential and doing everything that they can and that they want to with the project.
My name is Missy Georgie, and I major in sociology and Spanish studies here. I got involved because the Ethics Center brought me in to help develop a more inclusive method of community outreach for the project, so I've been able to use some of my sociology skills to figure out how best we can communicate the message of the house.
So how does ethics fit in with the Solar Decathlon?
Well, I think that the driving point behind Solar Decathlon is we're trying to make solar available to all different types of people. So what we're trying to do with ethics is not only make sure that our materials are ethically harvested and workers who are involved in making them are fairly treated, but also that the house itself is affordable and that we're taking into account the interests of lower income communities as well and how solar could be leveraged to help them.
Have any ethical issues come up with the project so far?
One thing we've been looking into has been the use of bamboo, which is a major design element in our upcoming house. And there are some transportation costs involved because our supplier is in Vietnam, but we are figuring that the ability of bamboo to store carbon dioxide while it's been growing actually makes it a pretty environmentally ethical choice. So it seems like a logical choice for our team.
Well, one of the big things as far as the innovation, the application of innovation from our house is the bamboo, which is going to be used structurally in our 2013 house. So we're using raw bamboo, basically unprocessed except for minimal processing to prevent bugs and moisture, and using that to build the walls and the framing of our house. It's a tough technology to utilize because bamboo, it has, despite being lighter and stronger than steel, there are some problems with driving nails into it and things like that, but we're trying to overcome those obstacles, and if we can, we really think we could revolutionize the building industry. So that's perhaps the one that has the most possible application to change how America operates. But really we're just trying to cast light on a lot of smaller innovations that everyday homeowners could utilize to reduce their net consumption. We're showcasing a solar integrated roofing system, which is another really major structural innovation, where our roof, the structure of our roof, will actually be both the structure, and the racking system for our solar array. So that will reduce the overall cost of the building because you don't have two separate systems, and it improves the efficiency of the solar.
Our 2007 house is used at an off-campus community garden, and they use a lot for an office space and then also education to go along with their sustainable garden. And then our 2009 house we use as an office space for the current projects, as well as research for new technologies to go into our house. This is the 2009 house. For the most part, it's the same as how it competed, but we've done some testing of different systems. We used the excess heat from under solar panel to preheat dryer coils to make a laundry dryer more efficient. And then we're also going to be testing some components for our 2013 house on the 2009 house.
Solar for All is a major California initiative to bring solar to everyone in California at least, and eventually everyone across the country. That kind of policy change has certainly been the result of progression in the solar industry, which has been driven in part by the Solar Decathlon.
And I think one thing that we're really trying to look into also is not necessarily a policy change, but seeing how policy is being implemented in different communities.
We don't want to build a space-age future home. We want to build a home that Americans can live in now and that they can look at and see that they could live in a home just like it and that it's available to them now.
Tune in, charge up, and be a part of the solution.
Join us for the next episodes of Watt Checker. Use the link below to sign up for a chance to win prizes and to be notified when our next episode is available online.